guys, welcome to another short morning yoga stretch with Arrivé Yoga. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my summer's favorites full body stretches. A little bit more on the active side, but don't worry, I won't go too hard on you guys. So go ahead, get a comfortable spot somewhere where you feel good and nice and ready to build up some energy. Remove all that tension from a long night's sleep. Go ahead and come down into a comfortable seated position. I've chosen to sit on my heels as just a little bit more of an active momentum per se. Closing the eyes, taking a deep breath in, and exhaling out. Just release the weight of your body. Even though this is going to be a soft and active flow today, we're just going to take a moment here to really embrace where we are today. If you're doing this flow in the morning, this is a great opportunity to check in with yourself and to set the tone for your day. Closing the eyes, relaxing all the muscles in your face, relaxing the jaw, taking a deep breath in, and exhaling out. Slowly opening the eyes, lifting the corners of your mouth for a little smile. And we're going to right away bring that left hand down to the ground, right arm reaches up, and we're going to bring it over to the left side. So I feel the dogs are coming. It feels so good, it's refreshing. And go ahead and a nice stretch on the right side of your body. Inhaling back to center and then over to the right. Breathing in, exhaling out. And first things first in the morning here, try not to go too far. Try to go easy on your body. We're slowly going to go deeper into the stretches. Once more over to the left. Exhale. And then one more time over to the right. Inhale back to center, reaching both hands up to the sky. Deep breath in. And then exhale, we're going to bring ourselves onto all fours. There we go, little dog. Hello, tissue. Couple breaths here. And we're just taking a moment to check in with the body once more in a more active position. So go ahead and tuck the navel softly into the spine. Tailbone is tucked down a little bit. And we're opening up the shoulder blades here. Root your eyes through the arms. Spread the fingers as wide as they go. Deep breath in. Curl the back toes under. And then just push the heels towards the back, lifting the knees softly. Relaxing all the muscles in your face. Relaxing the shoulders. Relaxing the neck. Deep breath in here. And then extend the knees mat width apart. Extended child's pose, bring it down, release the forehead to the ground. Taking a deep breath in here, try to walk the fingertips to the top of your mat, stretching the shoulders. And just allow the weight of your body to become heavy. Releasing all tension. Inhale, coming halfway, thread the right arm underneath the left, and release the forehead back down to the ground. Pushing that left shoulder softly down towards the ground. Deep breath in here. Exhaling out. Inhale back up to center and switch left arm underneath right and bring it down. Inhale back up. We're going to lift the hips up and go into our first downward facing dog. Rotating the legs here. Make sure you get the nice side of the hip side of the body. Breathing in. Our special guest Yoko and Floki joining us. And releasing, bending the knees. Bring the feet a little bit further than hip width apart this time since it's our first down dog. Speaking of down dog. And exhale, releasing the chest down. Inhale, round yourself over to plank pose. Deep breath in here. We're gonna lift that right leg, bend that right knee, and then bring it forward for a high or low lunge. You get to choose. Either drop your back knee for a low lunge or lift it for a deeper stretch. Chest brings forward and you're looking forward, opening up the chest. You can sway a little bit forward and backwards. Deep breath in here. Exhale, release left hand down to the ground, right arm up to the sky. If your knee was down, go ahead and lift it up. Back knee, breathing in. And then go ahead and push into that right big toe so that your knee is not flaring out to the side, but you're keeping it nice and centered. Deep breath in here. Exhale, release it back down, and then we're going to swing that right leg all the way up to the sky, bending that knee, and then imagine you're dropping that right foot towards the left side. Try to plant your left heel into the ground, dropping the chest. Deep breath in here. Exhale, bring it forward. Pigeon pose, right knee goes behind that right wrists. Deep breath in here. We're going to do a few awakening wave-like motions with our spine. So inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, roll it down. Starting with the root. Inhale, roll it back up. Exhale, down. Don't hesitate to use a little bit of the abdomen muscles here as well. We want to wake up the whole body. Keeping the shoulders away from the ears. Opening up. Exhaling down. One last time. Inhale, reaching back up. Curl the back toes, and we're going to slowly bring that front leg all the way back up to three-legged dog. Bend that knee, and then feel free to do a few little circles here with that right leg. Inhale to center, reaching that right leg up high. Exhale, bring it down. Walking out your dog here for a little moment. And then inhale, left leg comes up, bend the knee, and drop it over towards the right. Try to square off your shoulders, bringing that left shoulder down, and plant your right heel into the ground. Deep breath in. Exhale, reaching forward, bring that left leg forward. High lunge. I think the sun is getting to my brain with the heat. Breathing in here, opening up the chest, dropping the shoulders down and back. Deep breath in. And when you're ready, plant that right heel into the ground, that right hand into the ground, and the left arm reaches up. Deep breath in here. Maybe circling back to your intention for today. What kind of mood do you want to set for your day? And an exhale, bring it back down. Front leg back up, deep breath in. And then exhale, bring it forward, pigeon pose, left side. Take a few moments here, extending the spine. A few wave-like motions here, deep breath in. Exhale down. Inhaling up. Relax the muscles in your face, relax the jaw. We're waking up the body softly and energetically. One last time. And exhale, bring it down, curl the back toes, and slowly bring it up to three-legged dog, left leg up. Deep breath in here. Exhale, bring it down. We're gonna walk out the dog in down dog, walking the legs forward, bend the knees generously, and then inhale, reaching all the way back up to the sky. Deep breath in here. Exhale, hands together to chest, and then continue the journey all the way down. Interlace the fingers around back. Rotate the shoulders up, down, and back. Deep breath in here. And then exhale, bend the knees, lift the tailbone up towards the sky. Pull the shoulders away from the ears, and release the hands around back. Deep breath in here. Feel free to kind of lift right shoulder up towards the sky and then swing it over to the other side, getting a deeper stretch in the hips and into the shoulder area. Deep breath in here. And then exhale, release. Both hands down, bend the knees, engage the glutes, and roll all the way back up to the sky. Deep breath in here. Exhale, right hand comes down towards the side of your hips, and we're going to swing it over to the right. Inhale, back to center and over to the other side. Inhale, back to center, reaching up. Exhale, bring it down. We're gonna bring the hands to the ground and then heel toe your feet so that they're further than hip width apart. The big toes are slightly more in than the heels. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Lifting the tailbone up towards the ceiling, extending the spine, dropping the chest, pulling the shoulders away from the ears. And imagine you're gently squeezing the shoulder blades around back. Breathing in. Exhale, go ahead and walk over towards that left foot, pushing that right hip back so you're squaring off the hips. Deep breath in here. Relaxing the jaw, releasing the head. Inhale, back to center, and then exhale over to the right, pushing that left hip back. Breathing in. Releasing. Taking a moment to check back in with your body. Notice if you've become tense, or maybe you're super relaxed. Wherever you are, just observe it. Taking a deep breath in through the whole body. And exhale, release, letting go. Relax the head, relax the eyes. Inhaling back to center, deep breath in. And then exhale, we're gonna walk all the way over towards the top of your mat, twisting that left foot forward. So we're ending up into our high lunge. Deep breath in here. Exhale, dropping the hips. Feel that deep stretch in that front right hip. Deep breath in here. Twist over towards the left and wrap that left arm around that right hip or right thigh and lean it back with the right arm in the sky. Deep breath in here. Exhale, bring it back to center. Deep breath in, little balancing challenge here. And then exhale over to the back side of your mat, right leg forward. Deep breath in here. Twist over towards the right, grabbing that left thigh with your right arm and lift left arm to the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, back to center, high lunge, and we're gonna bring it back all the way to center and release it down. Inhale, halfway lift. Heel toe a little bit further in, preparing for frog pose, dropping the tailbone down towards the ground, hands together to chest. Go ahead and release, breathing in, exhaling out. Relax all the muscles in the face, shoulders away from the ears. Feel that opening in your hips, releasing any tension built up throughout the day or throughout the night. One last deep breath. Exhale, release the hands down to the ground. We're going to bring it back up. Walk all the way to the top of your mat. And we're going to bring ourselves slowly into a low lunge, dropping that back knee and bring it all the way back, stretching that front leg. Deep breath in here. Exhale, release, forehead down towards that left knee. Flexing that left foot. Feel that deep stretch. Inhale to center, lifting that back knee. And we're going to walk the hands all the way over to center. And then you're going to come onto the left toes and then onto that right heel. Lifting right arm up to the sky. Deep breath in. Exhaling out. Slowly walk it over to the back of your mat. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Drop that left knee down and bring it back, straightening that right leg. Deep breath in here. Exhaling out. Releasing the head, perhaps getting a little stretch in the neck. Deep breath. And then exhale, bend that front knee, lift that back knee, and then we're slowly going to come onto the right toes and the left heel, planting that right hand to the ground. Left hand comes up, deep breath in. Awesome. Inhale, coming back to center. And we're going to gradually bring ourselves into a seated position. to bring our short morning practice to a close. Maybe you want to come onto your back. I also personally prefer not to do Shavasana first thing in the morning, as most of you guys probably have experienced in the past. It's very quick and easy to fall asleep. So, but if you feel like being in Shavasana, go ahead and do so. Taking a deep breath wherever you are. And exhaling out, bringing the hands together to chest. Relaxing the body, relaxing the thoughts. Giving yourself one final moment here to release, to let go of anything you no longer need, to set that tone for your day. You get to choose how your day is going to be. As cliche as that may sound, I think it's important for us to have a little reminder how much more control we have of our day. You get to choose. Relaxing the body, taking one last deep breath in here, and exhale, releasing the head down. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me this morning, guys, and I look forward to practicing with you again tomorrow. Ciao.